Today we will learn the power electronics of paper first in the introduction of power electronics. In these chapters, it is the points of the power electronics and their applications, classifications, characteristics, switching types and phasors. This is the subtopics of power electronics. The introduction of power electronics. What is the power electronics? It is the control of electric power for a electric motor, drive systems and industrial controls to the many years, and the power electronics have a revolutionized concept of power control for the power converter and electrical motor drives to this converter. The power electronics, it combines the power electronics and controls of the systems. Then the definition of power electronics is the power electronics is defined as the applications of solid state electronics for the control and conversion of electric power. This is the definition of power electronics. Application of solid state electronics for the control of and conversion of electric powers. Then the interrelationship of power electronics with the power of electronics and controls the powers. Then power electronics is the switching of power semiconductor devices. Then the development of power semiconductor technology, the power handling capabilities and switching speed of the power devices, the development of microprocessor and microcomputer technology has a great impact of the control and the synthesizing of control strategy of the power semiconductor devices. There are modern power electronics. It is equipment uses in the two ways. First is a power semiconductor that can be regarded by the muscle, and second is the microelectronics that have the power and intelligence of the brain in these systems. The history of power electronics. It is the power electronics is the rectifier in 19. The metal tank rectifier were introduced is a gradually, then device were applied to the power control until the 1950s. Then the first electronics revolution began in 1948 with the invention of silicon transistor at the Bell Telephone Laboratories by the Brattin and the Shockley. It is the most today's advanced electronics technologies. There is the invention of modern microelectronics. It is the years of silicon semiconductors. Then the next breakthrough in 1956 was also from the Bell Laboratories. The invention of PNPN triggering transistor was defined as the thyristor, or it is also called as silicon control rectifier, in short SCR. Then the second electronics revolution began in 1958. The development of the thyristor is the General Electric Company. That is was the beginning of new era of power electronics. The different types of power semiconductor devices, it is a technique of have been introduced of the power electronics. This is the history of power electronics. Then there are main parts of the power electronics. It is used in the power semiconductor devices. The power semiconductor devices, the first thyristor or SCR was developed in the 1957s, has been power semiconductor devices. In 1970, the conventional thyristor has been used for power control in the industrial applications. When the majority of devices are made of silicons, then these devices can be divided into three types. First is the power diodes, second is transistor, and third one is the thyristors. Then these are three main types of the power devices, and it is subtypes of these devices. First is the power diodes, thyristors, power BJT, power MOSFET, and IGBT. This is the types of power semiconductor devices. Then next is the application of power electronics. The applications of power electronics, it is used in the light controls, heat controls, motor controls, and power supplies of the UPS or other any instruments of the power electronics. Vehicle launching system in the aerospace is the power electronics example for the applications of power electronics. It is electrical fans, electroplating food mixers, furnitures, gas trains, clock alarms, battery chargers. This is the applications of power electronics. Then next is the classification of power electronics. It is basically called as power semiconductor. Then power semiconductors are two types of power semiconductor. First is the silicon and other is the silicon carbide. Then silicons are subtypes. First is the diodes. Diodes are mainly three types: Schottky diodes, epitaxial diodes, it is called as pin diode, and double diffuse diode. This is the types of diode. Then second, silicon transistor types. Silicon types is the transistor. Transistor has a main three types: BJT, MOSFET, and IGBT. BJT, there are two transistors: bipolar junction transistor, it is the NPN transistor, and PNP transistors. Second one is the MOSFET. MOSFETs are there are mainly two channels: N channel enhancement and P channel enhancements. The N channel enhancement is the subtopics of conventional SFET, CoolMOS, and last third transistor is the IGBT, integrated bipolar transistors. It is the NP transistor and conventional trench of the IGBT. NP transistors, it is the high saturation and low saturations and high speed of this transistor. This is the types of silicon transistors. First is the diode, second transistor, and third one is the thyristors. Thyristors are basically five types of thyristors. First is the thyristor for the phase control, second fast thyristor, third is the GTO, IGCT, MCT, and MTO of the types of thyristor. We will discuss in details in the next. And second power semiconductor devices is the silicon carbide. Silicon carbides are, there are two types: diodes and transistors. Diodes are basically three types: Schottky diode, IBS diode, and pin diode. And transistor are only one types of the MOSFET diodes. This is the classification of transistor, classification of power semiconductors of the devices. Then first is the diodes. Then diodes are basically three types: general purpose diode, fast recovery diode, and Schottky diodes. Diode has the two terminals First is the cathode and anode. Power diodes are three types: general purpose diode, fast recovery, or it is called high speed diode, and third is the Schottky diode. Then first we will discuss general purpose diodes. General purpose diodes are available up to the 6000 volt and 4500 ampere, and the rating of fast recovery diodes can go up to the 6000 volts. The reverse recovery time varies in between the 0.5 to 5 microseconds. The fast recovery diodes are essential for high frequency switching of power. It converts the Schottky diodes has the low on state voltage and very small recovery time, in that is in nanoseconds. Then the leakage current of this voltage rating, it is increases in the 100 volt and 300 ampere current. Then the diode conducts when the anode voltage is higher than that of the cathode. The forward voltage drop of power diode is very low. It is typically from the 0.5 volt to the 1.2 volt. If the cathode voltage is higher than the anode voltage, a diode is said to be the blocking mode. This is the working of power diodes. The power diodes, this is the symbol of power diodes. The power diodes is the symbol of first one terminal is the anode and second terminal is the cathode. This is the symbol of power diode. We will ask the questions. The symbol of power diodes. A denotes the anode or positive and K denotes the cathode of negative. Then next is the consist of power transistors. First we will discuss power diode. Second is the power transistor. The power transistor is the four types of power transistor. First BJT, power MOSFET, IGBT and SITs. This is the bipolar transistor, has the three terminals: base, emitter and collector. It is normally operated by the switch in the common emitter configurations. As long as the base of NPN transistor is the higher potential than the emitter and the base current is sufficiently large to drive the transistor, the saturation region, the transistor region is provided to the collector to emitter junctions. Then the high power transistor are commonly used in the power converters at the frequency of 10 Hz of the power transistors. This is the symbol of power BJT, bipolar junction transistor. It is a three terminal device: base, emitter and collector. There are two types of BJT: NPN transistor and PNP transistor. NPN transistor, it is the arrow of downward direction to the emitter sides, and PNP transistors, the arrow is upward direction to the emitter sides. This is the main difference of NPN transistor and PNP transistors. Then next, second transistor is the MOSFET. The power MOSFET are used in the high speed power converters and are available at the low power rating in the frequency range. It is the power MOSFETs of different size in the power transistors, and the MOSFET, it is technology of high voltage power and implements the compression structure of vertical drift region of MOSFETs, and on-state resistance of the MOSFETs. The conduction losses at least 5 times less than as compared to the conventional MOSFET technologies. This is the MOSFET. This is the symbol of MOSFETs. Gate. There are three terminals: gate, drain, and source. It is used in the frequency range to select the frequency range, and superior drive to the output characteristics of BGT. It is a high voltage MOSFETs. Then next is the symbol of UJT. UJT is a negative resistance device. It is a unipolar junction transistor. This is the types of transistors. It has a three terminal device: emitter, B1, that is the base 1, and B2 is the base 2. This is the symbol of UJT. Then next is the SCR. SCR is the silicon controlled device. The silicon control device is the symbol of SCR. There are three terminals: anode, cathode, and gate terminals. It is the unidirectional device of the SCR. Then next is the symbol of GTO. It is a three terminal device: anode, cathode, and gate. Next is the MCT. Symbol of MCT. This three terminal device: gate, anode, and cathode. IGBT, integrated bipolar transistors. There are three terminal device: gate, drain, and source. RCT, this is a symbol of RCT. Next LTT, or it is called laser. Laser, symbol of lasers: anode, cathode, and gate terminals. Triac, this is the symbol of triac. There are used in the two diodes in the opposite polarity. Then terminals of the gate triac, gate T1 and T2. Then last is the diode on AC. The diode on AC is there are two terminals in device. It is flows current in only one directions. There are two terminals, anode and cathodes. This is the symbol of power diodes. Then next topic is the thyristors. The thyristor is the switching device in the similar of transistors, which is already discussed in the transistor is the electronic component that is changed in the world. Then to find the every electronic device like the TVs, mobiles, laptops, calculators, earphones, they are adaptable and the versatile device, but it does not mean that they can used in the every applications. We can use them the amplifying and switching device. They cannot handle the higher current. It is also the transistor is required to the continuous switching currents, and all these issues the overcome problems of the thyristors. Then the thyristor is a SCR and thyristor are used in the interchangeable. But SCR is the kind of thyristor. Thyristor includes many types of switches. Some them of SCR, silicon control rectifier, GTO, gate turn off, IGBT, insulated gate control, bipolar junction, bipolar transistor, and SCR is the used for, it is a device of thyristor become a synonymous of SCRs. In simply, the SCR is the king of thyristors, or SCR it is also called as the thyristors. Then what is the SCR or thyristor? It is the four layer device, three junction semiconductor switching device, and it has the three terminals, anode, cathode, and gate. Thyristor is the unidirectional device, like as the diode. It means that the flows current only one direction, and it is consist of three PN junctions in a series. It is a four layers. The gate terminals, it is used in the trigger. As the SCR is provided on the voltage, this terminal it is called as the gate triggering methods, or to turn on the methods. This is the silicon controlled thyristors. The thyristor is the no reverse leakage currents, ultra switching behavior, no temperature influences in the power transistors, power thyristors. Then symbol of thyristors. This is the symbol of thyristors. There are three terminal device, anode, cathode, and gate terminals, and this is the junctions of diagrams. Diode means that is the P type and N type semiconductors. It is made up of single diodes. There are two diodes are used in these thyristors, PN, PN. This is the junctions layers. There are three junctions in the form PN, J1 junctions create, NP, J2 junctions create, and again PN junctions, then J3 junctions are created. There are three junctions J1, J2, and J3. There are three terminals, anode, cathode, and gate terminal. This is the symbol of thyristors. Then next is the magnetic circuits of the power electronics. The magnetic circuits of the power electronics, it is the circuit, it is defined as the path of followed by the magnetic flux. This magnetic flux is always has a tendency of low reluctance path. The laws of magnetic circuit are quite, it is similar to the electric circuit, but in terms of the magnetic circuit analysis is the different form in the magnetic circuits. The magnetic circuits are in the this convergence, it is the reluctance method and magnetic flux density. Then we will consider the toroid having a magnetic path length L. This is the shows diagrams. It is the toroid. It is the magnetic path length L in meters, and magnetic flux phi. A reluctance current is created the I, and the length of magnetic path is equal to the periphery of toroid. Is also assumed to that the cross sectional of toroid is the m square, and the n is the number of turns wound on the toroid of these paths. Then it is the magnetic circuits or magnetic flux is created on these circuits of the power electronics. Then the magnetic circuits are assumed to be, it is the toroid, it is the cross sectional area A, and cross sectional area A, it is the unit of m square and is the number of turns in the wound on the wires. These conditions of the carrying a current I, it is found to the toroid, or these circuits are created in the magnetic current pass through that the circuits of the power electronics. This is the magnetic circuits of power electronics.